Hello viewers, welcome back to this course. In this lesson we are going to learn about how to use the echo command. Okay, the echo command is used to print text on the terminal. Okay, if you want to print text on the terminal, you type echo. You can also use it to echo environment variable as well. Okay, but for now let me see how to print text on the terminal. Any text that come after the echo will be printed in the terminal. Okay, so for example, I type hello world like this. It come after the echo. If I press enter, you can see it is printed in the terminal. If I echo home, now this is environment variable that is going to echo the home directory. Okay, echo home. If I press enter now, I think the syntax is wrong, guys. It's not percentage. Let me rerun this command again. Should it be echo $sign, that is $sign home. This is a variable that contains the home directory. If I press enter, return my home directory. Okay, so you can see it here. So this variable is a global variable that contains the home. Likewise, I can also echo path. Like echo path like this, do you see it return my paths? Can see what I have in my path in the environment variables. Okay, the path in the environment variable, it is being echo. This is the global variable that contain that environment path files. Okay, all the directories in the path, you can see it listed here. Alright, so that is the use of the echo, guys. You use it to print text in the terminal. Thank you for watching this video.